Hi guys, welcome back to Mez Racing. You're back for part 2 of the E30 project. We're going to get the gearbox in today, so stay tuned, like and subscribe. Yep, here we have it. BMW 6-speed ZF out of a BMW E46 330ci. You also get them in a couple others. Yeah, we're going to get that in there today. That's the plan. Just installed the flywheel, just a way to give him a nip up to 105 Newton meters on these flywheel bolts. Oh yeah! There we have it. The engine is in. Ta-da!